I'm Susie, I'm a craft stylist and mum of two. I'm here today to show you how fun and easy it is to help your children with their school projects. And today I'm going to show you how to make a solar system in a box. To make this you will need a shoebox, a sheet of black paper, a sheet of gold paper, some blue, black, gold, red, yellow, orange, silver and white paint, a white paint pen, beading wire, a hot melt glue gun, skewers, some Fimo clay, a needle, some polystyrene balls in different sizes and a polystyrene block. So first, pour a little black paint into a palette and then paint the inside sides of the box. Carry on painting around the sides of the box. Once you've painted the box black, let it dry for a little while. Then take a sheet of black paper, place the box in the middle and draw around it with a pencil. So then cut out the black rectangle and then apply some glue in the bottom of the box and pop the black card inside. So now while the box is drying we're going to start painting our planets and we're going to begin with the sun. So take the largest polystyrene ball, place a skewer in one end and then paint all over the polystyrene ball. Once you've painted it orange, pop it onto a polystyrene block to dry. And then we're going to paint the next planet, which is going to be Mars. So for Jupiter I'm going to paint silver and then I'm going to mix a little bit of blue into it as well. Next we're going to paint Earth. Starting with blue, don't worry about covering every part of the ball, this one, because we're going to be putting some green on as well. Now we've let the sun dry a bit, we're going to add a little bit of yellow. And finally, for Neptune, add a little bit of white paint to the blue. Give it a bit of a mix and then paint it onto the ball. Don't worry if it's a bit streaky, it adds to the effect. To make Saturn's ring you'll need to find two tumblers with one measuring roughly the same size and diameter as the polystyrene ball. And take the smaller one and draw around on the gold card, followed by the larger tumbler. And then cut out the ring. Fold the card slightly and then cut round. And then take some glue, put a little around the inside ring and then just pop it on top of Saturn and let it dry. Now we're going to make the smaller planets using Fimo clay. I'm going to start with Mercury, and for this you'll need a metallic colour clay. So just take a chunk and roll it in the palm of your hands to create a ball. And then take the needle and just make a small hole through the centre. This is where the string will go through. To make Pluto, I'm going to mix some blue with some charcoal. And then Uranus will be turquoise. And then the last one, which is Venus. For this one I'm going to add some blue to the yellow and just mix it up together. twist it so that you get lots of swirly patterns. Squeezing it and rolling it until you get a lovely swirly effect. Once you've made the smaller planets, pop them into the oven following the instructions on the packet. And then we need to thread them with some beading wire and then knot a few times at the end so that the planet doesn't come off. So now we need to thread some string onto the larger planets. So first of all, just press the skewer right through the other side of the bowl and then remove it. Cut a small amount of tape and then take the beading wire and then just stick it onto the end of the skewer. Push the skewer through the middle of the planet again, out through the other side. And then just snip the beading wire from the skewer. Hold and then remove the skewer. Then pull the string through, and with the hot melt glue gun just add a small blob of glue to the other end of the planet. Allow it to dry for a few seconds and then just snip the string. Continue with the other planets. So now the box is completely dry, we're going to draw some stars inside with the white paint pen. So now we're going to put our planets in order, starting with the Sun, followed by Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. So once we've got all our planets in the right place, mark with a pencil on the top of the box where the holes will be. And then carefully with a craft knife go through the points that you've marked. And then thread each string onto the needle and just pop it through the hole. Hold it and then stick with some sellotape. And then continue with the other planets. And then to finish off, we're going to cover the top of the box with a piece of black paper. So place the paper on top and then lightly fold it over the sides to give you the shape that you'll need. And cut out with scissors. And then place the black paper on top and stick down. And here we have our finished solar system in a box. For a list of what you need to make, instructions and more great school project ideas, head to the Hobbycraft blog or Ideas Station on Facebook.